First step in making this cake is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, which we will do now. Next, we have the dry ingredients. 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda. We'll give this a powerful manly shake. For the weak liquid ingredients, we'll add 1/3 cup oil to 1 cup of water. Then a cowardly teaspoon of vanilla. Then a mighty teaspoon of vinegar. Beat into submission. Pour recently beaten liquid ingredients into dry ingredients. Man fealty with another beating. Triumphantly pour the remnants of your conquest into the sacrificial baking pan. Place pan in sacrificial altar to appease gods who aided you in your victory.